Welcome all. Welcome back to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights. Today we will go through Coursera. Coursera, if you don't know, is one of the online learning platform that helps put together all different courses from the leading universities in the world, which includes MIT, Stanford, Harvard. So they put together all the courses under this one platform, and there are over 7,000 courses in this platform. If you want to do a short course, 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 5 hours, professional development courses on, you have a skill that you want to broaden or similar, or if you want to do a degree online, masters online, you can go to this page. You can go to this website and help yourself to the course you want to attend. So for me, I'm doing Google Analytics professional certificate course. So this basically covers BigQuery, basic SQL, and the different functions of spreadsheets, which includes pivotal tables and relational database, relations between the different databases. So I'm more basically going into understanding big data. So that's why I have chosen this course. So I'm at, as you can see on my page, in my account, this is my account. So I'm at course number 5, which is process data from dirty to clean. So I have done the other 4 courses. So the next 4 courses, next 3 courses will get me to doing some case study at the end of the course, and then I will be awarded a certificate by Google. So this platform is mostly run through Google. For this course, it's run through Google trainers. So we have analysts from Google training us. So when I am completed with the course, I will be awarded a certificate. But when I have other certificates that are on for courses 1 to 4, which was awarded to me as part of progress, certification. So let's go into, I'll show you the other courses that are available online. So let's not stick to everything on me. Let's let you explore some of the courses we have here. So when you go into when you type Coursera online, you will see pop up with a blue icon or blue background, Coursera online. So you create yourself an online account here. I already have an account, so I don't have to create another account. So you create an account here with your password, and then you will be able to access all the different variety of courses that are available. So like I said, these courses are run by experts. So the trainers here have a vast experience from the industry. So depends on the industry that you are interested in. I bet you will get one of the best training on this platform. So since this training or this platform has inspired me and has been proven to be really successful, because I'm doing part-time. Whenever I find the time, I go online, use the internet to at least spend 2 hours a day, or maybe 2 hours every week or so to complete the course. The course I'm doing is for 6 months. Unfortunately, I got breaks in between, so this has prolonged the study for another 1 year or so. But still determined to get the course completed. So here we are. Thank you. I'm at course number 5. Okay, let's go on to, I'll show you the courses that are available. Let's go into online degrees. Let's go into online degrees, and let's see if there are courses that might interest you. So you see, You can find the right degree for you right here. This Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Master of Science. This one, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, is offered by University of London. Master of Science in Data Science is offered by University of Colorado. Bachelor of Science in Business Admin also by the University of London. So you can go filter the search according to your liking, whichever program you are interested in to study. So you can filter right here. Right here, these are the program levels. If you want all the bachelor degrees, you just click on this, check it, and click apply, and you will see all the programs that might interest you. If you look underneath, there's years of how long you can complete the program, the language it is offered in, and the application due date as well. It's given though. So these are basically everything on bachelor degree programs. If you go into the masters, you can go right back here and check the degree bachelor's, and you can click the masters here, apply, and you'll check out all the master's programs. So master's in cyber security is also given by the University of London, part-time, so it's 24 to 60 months. Master of Science in Data Science hold also. You can see there's no specific restriction on how long you can complete the course. You can complete the course or the study at your own timing, whenever you are free. So this is particularly helpful for working parents and who are spending full time with their children and do not have time to go online or spare time to do further studies. Okay, that's on masters. And you can further filter into the type of different types of industry you want. So if you want to study business, you can click right here, say apply, and you'll see all the master's programs that are coming up. So yeah, that's basically everything on especially the bachelor and the master's program that applied online. But you can check for short courses. Let's type it here, short courses, and usually if you go past the due date, most of the courses, some of them apply as they are given as are free, but if you go past the date, then you'll be asked to pay a certain subscription payment every month, maybe a $20 or $15, depends on the course and the traffic to the course online. So you will be asked to pay that subscription if you go past the duration of the scholarship. Okay, so let's see this one. This is Introduction to Microsoft Excel. So it's a short course. So here everything is generated as real time, so you won't be it will automatically update on the dashboard. After you complete a certain course, it will give you a percentage of the progress. If you are done with a certain module in a particular course, it will pop up as a percentage of that course for you to follow through. Okay, so this is a short course. So if you go through it will, if you finish one course, it will this if you get started here and finish it, it will automatically go to the next next activity in a certain module. In this module, when you are done with this, welcome to guided project, it will go to the next module, and so on and so on until you finish a certain module, and then you'll go to the next module in one particular course. So that's how Coursea is being executed online. So it's very well organized, very detailed. So if you are able to guide you well alone, actually you have to at least take some notes on particular videos, and when you get to the end of its module, you will be given a short assessment. So the assessment will tell you if you didn't understand a concept well, it will refer you back using the link to read on a certain document or a certain video for you to come back and complete that that question that you didn't get right. So basically, I want to share this experience with everyone, so everyone is informed of places to go to access quality education. So Coursera is one of the places that you can come here at your own time, at your own pace, under your own budget to learn a skill that includes basically everything from business, health, finance, project management, everything on that. You can come here under one umbrella and get yourself a certificate and enhance your learning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do another video for you to have a detailed look into each of the Coursera courses or anything along that line, you comment on the link below and I'll get back to you with a video that is suitable for you. Thanks again, and continue watching this page for more of this video.